So operators are two types: mathematical operator, relation operator, and sorry, three types: and relation and logical operators. Three operators are there. And what are operators? These are used to do calculations using variables and constants and perform other operations. Okay, so there are three main types of operators. So basically it is used to do calculations. Okay, like plus, minus, into, divide, compare. With the help of relational operators, you can compare which one is greater, less. Logical operator, there are three logical operator: and, or, and not. The answers of logical operator will arrive in true and false. Like if we are comparing two variables, so x less than 80, so one number should be less than 80 and another number should be greater than 65. So comparing two variables, in that case you are using and operator. So if and, what does it give? If both of them are correct, then only the whole result will be correct. So the table is given here. Or operators, what does it do? Instead of and, you can type here or. What does it do? If any one of them is correct, suppose this one is correct, this one is false, the whole thing becomes correct. If both of them are false, then only the whole thing becomes false. The table is given here. If both of them are false, then only it is false, otherwise it is true. And last one is the not operator. What does the not gives? It is opposite. Suppose the result of this one is coming out to be true. Okay, then if you are putting here before here not, then what will happen? It will become not false. That means it will become true. Okay, the whole thing will become opposite. That is the use of not. Okay, there are some QBasic statements. Let CLS END print input. Already I told about CLS clears the screen. And means ending of the program. Print means giving output on the screen. And let is the statement used to assign value to a variable. Like here I have given here let. So you're assigning 4, you're giving 4 to the variable x with the help of let statement. Okay, so here one important line: a single command is known as a statement. So this line is known as a statement. This is second statement, third. This is how many statements are here? 7 statements are here. Okay, so a single command is known as a statement. Okay, now I'll in the next part I'll show you some examples of using the operators. Okay, some examples of using the operators, like mathematical mathematical operators. If you go to page number, yeah, mathematical operators, I'll show you some use of mathematical operators, how to use the mathematical operators. It is given in page number 115. So let us open. So I have one program, I've written already one program, CLS, clear the screen. Then your let means you are assigning some value to a variable. So this is the variable I have declared, x%. X is the name of the variable, and percent means, if you go to page number 114, percent stands for integer. So x is an integer variable, and x is an integer variable. If you can see, percent means integer. I'm not writing dim sum as an integer, dim x as an integer. It is a long statement, so instead of that you can use symbol. And storing 4 here. Similarly, we have put second variable y, which is storing 5. Then we are using the mathematical operator plus here, as you can see here, plus. Now let c is another variable. What variable? Integer, because percentage has been given, equal sign has been given, assigning. Equal is the assignment operator. Okay, it is adding two variables, this one x% and y%. Okay, both are integer variable. The answer will be recorded as an integer and it will be stored as an integer in C. Now you are displaying the output with the help of print sum is. Okay, and the next line you are putting the print statement to display the sum stored in whatever stored in the variable C. It will take out from the RAM and show it on the screen. Okay, and ending the program with END. Let us now run the program. So you have to wait for a few seconds. So now it will start. 4 plus 5 is what? 9, no? So 9 should appear on the screen. The sum is 9. Okay? You press any key on the keyboard to close the program. Okay? Now I have another example to show you the use of another operator. X hashtag. Hashtag stands for double data type. Okay? Here decimal number I am storing 4.09. Everything is same XYZ, only we are removing the percent integer we're changing to double with the help of hashtag. So now you can add here decimal number also. Everything is same. Let us run it. So this is the result. You can see here 4 4 3 2 9 plus 1 10 carry over 1 is here 4 plus 5 9. Okay, so with this help of this one double, we can add decimal number also. Now let us go to string. How we can store a letter or a word. So very easy one. Here I have written one program. Let has been used, and this is the variable f name. This is the variable f name, and in the last you can see here the symbol dollar. So instead of writing this string, so dim sum as integer, instead of writing integer here, instead of writing string, we are using the symbols dollar, which is the symbol for string. So dollar has been given, so this variable has become a string variable. What type of variable? String variable. This one, string variables. Okay, now it is storing what? Neha, and another variable is storing the second part of the name, Jha. Now you are displaying the whole name together. Student name is first variable, then you're given some space and the last variable, and in between we are putting some plus addition addition operator. You're joining the two names together. Okay, then you click on save and then click on run and start. So it will create the file and run the program. So as you can see, student name is Neha. From here f name it is taken and Jha is taken from in the L name, and both has been joined with the help of plus operator, and there is a space is given with the help of double quotation, so that's why there is a space. Okay, so now let's go to the another part of exercise, that is C, true and false. Let us give the answers of true and false. I'm giving the answers. QBasic stands for Quick Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code is missing, so it will be false. Number 2 is Basic is a compiler. Actually, Basic is an interpreter, so it will be false. So 1 and 2 are false. Then 3, a variable is name given to specific, it is true. Number 4, operators are used to do calculations using variables and constants and perform other operations. This is also true. Last one, a statement is a name given to specific amount of memory space which can contain a value. A statement is a name given to a specific amount of memory. It is actually, this one should be variable, so this one is false. Number 5 is false. So only number 3 and 4 are correct, true.